Here's a quick video to talk about the Prestacycle PocketRatchet, especially in regard to how it works with the Leatherman flat bits for EDC. So just a brief overview of the ratchet itself. It's got these bits that come inside, mainly useful for cycling. If you're watching this video and you're interested in cycling, I'm sorry, this is not that video. And then you can see here the little metal bit catches in that little notch, which is what holds it closed. More on that in just a moment. So in regard to the Leatherman flat bits, they fit perfectly. So there's a little wire gate in there, and if you get it lined up in the usual way for the flat bits, where they don't work in most orientations, but they will sometimes work in one orientation, you can see that they fit quite well. In fact, they're a little bit difficult to push out. Have to kind of brace them on something and push them out that way. So they're snug. One thing to note is you can also push them out the other direction. So they're small enough that if I were to push in this direction, it would pop out the back. So there's a limit to how much pressure you can put on the flat bits. That doesn't happen with the built-in bits. The precision on the ratchet is very small, which is nice. And with the bits, some of the big ones and some of the small ones fit equally well, as long as you get that lined up again, as we've been talking about. The bits also will fit inside here, which is something I was hoping for. Almost. So I'll show you what I mean. If you fit them in, kind of hard to see inside there. 2 by 2. You can fit a total of 8 bits, so 16, bit heads. Last 2. The only problem is they are flush with the, nearly flush with the edge there. So the little divot that you can see that the metal bit fits into is not going to work because the other bits will be in the way. So I think that in order to make this work, you need some kind of rubber cover or something like that that goes over the outside to hold everything in place. But close enough that it's exciting. So it's a nice compact little ratchet. Here's a quick size comparison with the toe peak ratchet. Similar precision and spinning. And that's it. The Prestacycle PocketRatchet for EDC. Pretty good contender.